Good morning. What's poppin', you guys? It's your girl Kayla Lashae. We got the whipped coffee today. I put some brown sugar in it to whip it, and then some cinnamon, and it is literally the best thing when you pair it with some oat milk, vanilla oat milk, okay? Best coffee at home. Like, I don't want to hear about it. So I need to go to the grocery store today. I need to meal plan today, figure out what I'm gonna eat, because girl, I just got back from Vegas and I'm struggling to get my life together because I'm still groggy. Like, I'm feeling very tired from traveling and then sleep deprived, still probably have that alcohol in my body, yada yada, and I just want to get back to my normal life of going to the gym and eating my protein. I definitely was not eating enough while I was out there, and I feel like I lost some of my gains. I feel very skinny. I feel like I just went through an extreme cut or something. Like, obviously you're not going to lose your muscle that fast, but I feel like my stomach is this small. Great, love that for me for summer, but girl, I'm trying to gain some weight, so I need to ease myself back into eating proper, eating enough meals, enough calories, enough protein. So we're gonna get a lot of protein today and some easy meals. That's why we love Trader Joe's. We don't have to cook a whole bunch, and I'm gonna show you guys my favorites. I'm gonna take you guys with me to the store, then we're gonna come back and do a haul, and then I'll share my realistic meals with you guys. So I guess we're gonna work with a budget of $100. Let's see if we can do it. Y'all think we can hit it? Sometimes I'd be hitting it on the dot though, I'm not gonna lie. Also, my eye is twitching. It's been twitching for a good hour. It's alcohol. So I just thought I would pop in and give you guys an intro for today. Thumbs up this video if you guys enjoy Trader Joe's hauls just as much as I do. Be sure to subscribe if you guys are new, and let's get into the vid. You guys, I hope my food is okay. I've been in traffic for an hour, so hopefully my stuff is still cold, but I just picked up some frozen broccoli. Always nice to have frozen veg. I also picked up some organic brown rice just to have as well. This is really good. You just pop it in the microwave for 3 minutes and it's good to go. And then for my meals this week, since I have no food, I was trying to meal plan what I could have. So we're gonna do meatballs and like pasta. So these are also really great, and these are the only ones that are dairy free. So I do recommend those. They're also good if you wanna do them with barbecue sauce. I also got, what are you doing, dog? He's a weird one. He likes to kick that, but there's already food. Anyway, I got a vegan meatless pizza for those times that I don't want to cook. Clearly, we're not really trying to do that. And then I'm so happy these are still cold. They finally had these back in stock, the non-dairy oat milk ice cream sandwiches. So I grabbed 2 boxes of those because I already knew that they're a hot commodity, you guys. So gotta get them while I can find them. For sandwiches and lunch or dinner, I'm gonna have these Hawaiian rolls with lunch meat. So what's really good about these is the protein. So for 1 roll is already 5 grams, so I'll have 3 and that's 15. That's amazing. So love those. And for another dinner or lunch, I figured I would do the chicken asada from Trader Joe's, which has peppers and onions. The stuff is so good. There's about 2 servings for each one, so I grabbed 2 of those. And I'm gonna have this with some tortillas. And these are my favorite, you guys. Life hack, if you heat them up on a gas burner, they have like that flame broiled taste. So good. So it's the habanero lime flour tortillas. It says medium hot level of spiciness, but this is so good. I'm gonna add some rice to bulk this up, put it in a tortilla, some avocado, and boom, it's done. I also grabbed some berries just to have for my oatmeal. I really like oatmeal late at night, so I wanted to add some blueberries just to get some antioxidants. Some fresh produce, which I didn't get a lot of because I don't want to waste my money, and I know I don't eat all my food when it's fresh, so I get a lot of frozen produce. Grab these for my little son. He loves these. They had a, I guess, limited edition snack from St. Patrick's Day. He did not like those. He threw them up every single time. So I had to get rid of them and switch back to these, which he's obsessed with. I also grabbed a kombucha, the Health Aid in Pink Lady Apple, just to get my gut back to normal. I just got back from Vegas, so I'm kind of struggling today. It'll be good to introduce those probiotics back into my life. Grab some avocados, gotta have those. And I also picked up some salads. So you guys know I'm loving the broccoli slaw with chicken. It has sunflower seeds and cranberries, or dried cranberries, and then the Chinese inspired salad. This is also really good. I think I might have this one today. Very filling, very easy. Y'all can see grab and go meals. Like, I don't really have time to be cooking. I just want to eat. So love that for me. And then also I love these for snacks. You guys might have seen this in my last haul. I love these. They're just so good. And if I have a craving for like a charcuterie board or something, this is literally my go-to. I am dairy free, and I find that hummus, specifically this one, has like that tangy, creamy cheese like flavor. So I really like that. They just don't miss with their hummus. And then for these Hawaiian rolls, you guys, I just picked up some of this Dijon mustard. This is very spicy, just so you guys know, but it adds a nice little kick to your sandwiches. So I just wanted to pick that up. And then I also grabbed this soup again because I just got back from Vegas. I just need something that won't make me nauseous, you know what I'm saying? And I wanted something brothy, and this is really good. I probably can get 2 serves out of it, and if you want to bulk it up, add some rice to it. So that way it's more filling for a proper meal. And then I also snagged this pepperoni. I figured it would be good if I wanted to do like charcuterie or have it on the side with this to get some extra protein, or even just add it to my sandwiches on the Hawaiian rolls. And also with that, I picked up some turkey breast. Quick little lunch options. And I actually wanted to try their beef jerky. Ooh, I almost grabbed the turkey one, but I don't know if I'm a turkey person. So I know I like teriyaki beef jerky, so I figured I would try this out. It's always at the checkout line, and it's just a great quick source of protein. So 11 grams for 1 ounce, and it says there's 4 servings in this whole pack. So we'll see. I'll come back with a review, and maybe I'll do like a what I eat in a day tomorrow, show you guys how I make some of these meals and how easy and realistic my way of eating is, especially if you don't like to cook. And while I was out, I did go to Whole Foods because they have my favorite thing, my obsession, which are their vegan croissants. I just love that Whole Foods has a great variety of pastries that are dairy-free and vegan as well, obviously, but these are great for breakfast. Sometimes I'll just have one before the gym or something, get some carbs in, and they're pretty high calorie. 370 for one of them, and then the protein is, oh my god, why is this so tiny? I think it's like 11 grams or something. Sorry, 8 grams, which is nice for me. And then sometimes for breakfast, I'll just pair it with some breakfast sausage, and that's just my meal for the day. It just depends what kind of mood that I'm in. But I just thought I would show you guys my grocery haul in case you guys are interested in what I'm buying these days and things that I would recommend, and also things I'm trying out and how I would kind of prepare them, just for ideas for you guys. All this, you guys, $99. So this is what you can get from Trader Joe's for $100. Just so you guys know, you can get some really good stuff, some delicious meal ideas, and you don't have to eat chicken, rice, and broccoli, boring foods, to be healthy. So I just thought I would show you guys what I'll be eating this week. If you guys enjoyed this video, thumbs up, hit the subscribe button down below, and I will see you dolls in my next video.